How to use the Yelp application or the software to find local restaurants near you, and how you can simply book a table, get food from there. How to use Yelp? If you just sign into the Yelp, research some business on the Yelp here, see what's available that you can later another business with a few more steps you can see inaccurate address or contact information for the business or any type of restaurant. Now you can simply read through the reviews existing for that business for any type of restaurant if you want to order food from there. So you just need to know about the place that from which place you're getting the order, from which place you're buying. So you can simply get the review, or you can also write your own review or review update after the initial review has been posted. This is how you can simply post your review about a restaurant. So this was one part, and the second is you can read or you can simply review any of the content, add photos from your experiences at the restaurants or any type of shop that if you don't like it, you can simply give a good or a bad review to the shop here. Submit a picture of the business from either outside or from within the experience you had from there, as I said you, and you can tag the food from here in this menu. If you're doing it only for the restaurants, you can click on the restaurant or food store from this menu. Now check into the location and write about the place you have to tag. And if you want to tag it with any of your friend, you can simply find your friends from the email, or you can send the link to any one of your friend you want to read that. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it, and please subscribe to channel for watching such updates like that.